I lost all my money in Vegas, and it's just a real damn shame. Vegas, baby! Hey guys, how's it going today? A big warm welcome to Gemmalicious TV. I hope you're all doing well and feeling fabulous. And today guys, I am feeling extra fabulous. I know I'm always fabulous, but today I'm extra fabulous because not only am I at Heathrow Airport about to fly out, but today is the day when the Gemmalicious vlogs start happening, guys. Yes, so from today guys, I'm going to be vlogging all of my holidays that I go on in detail, so you guys can see what I get up to, where I go and how I do the thing. But serious guys, it's a pleasure to have you guys on board to the new Gemmalicious holiday vlogs, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. So today guys, I am off to guess. I'll give you one guess, don't read the title. Vegas, baby. But yeah, I got a long thing to go through guys, because I am on a connecting flight. So I'm doing 11 hours to LA, and then from LA I'll be doing an hour to Las Vegas. So it's going to be a very long flight guys, but it's going to be worth it hopefully when we get there. But I'm just about to go into the airport now and check in, so I'll see you guys on the other side. Ciao! But I am now on board. I am flying with American Airlines, by the way guys, and this is the first time I'm actually flying with American Airlines, and I don't know, it just crossed my mind that I don't even know what I get with my flight, so I'm interested to see whether I get any free food or free drink. But it's an 11-hour flight, so I'm hoping I get something. This is a bit of the flight, so I've got a screen here. This is where we're going to be watching some movies. And yeah, I'm just about to relax myself, guys, and get ready to roll. 11 hours, I'm so not looking forward to it. And I'm flying on my own, by the way, guys. So my sister is flying from Barbados, and I'm flying from London, and we're going to be meeting up at the airport in Las Vegas. So I'm doing this flight bit on my own. And I've got, yeah, 11 hours to get to LA, and then a 3-hour stopover in LA, and then an hour flight to Las Vegas. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit, and I'll let you guys know what I've got with the flight, if I've got anything with it, because I'm hungry. But I just went and bought me a sandwich from Nero and a pack of crisps. So that's going to see me through until further notice. Boom! Ah! So guys, I've just now arrived in LA, darling. Just came out to get some sunshine and to check out the local area as I wait for my connecting flight to the Vegas. But yeah guys, welcome to LA. Not that you can see much, it's not quite the Hollywood sign, but you know. Guys, you know you're in America, yeah, when as soon as you get off the flight, the girl goes to me, I love your 270s. I was thinking, what's she talking about? Them trainers. 270s, baby. 270s. That's what they call them in America anyway.
Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile.
Talking. That is sick. So So guys, I am completely looking rough. Don't watch me. I've been on a 16-hour journey to get here, but I have arrived at Vegas, guys. Woo! This is our hotel, guys. Oh my god, just look up behind me already. Vegas. My sister's just getting out of the taxi, so I'm just waiting for my sister. I met her at the airport. Everything's good. Her flight was good, and now we're about to go and check in. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit, where you guys will get a full tour of Vegas and start turning up with me and my big sis, who's I've left to carry the bags. Okay, so we've just come into the hotel now. It seems so big downstairs. I don't know, but yeah, it's already quite busy as well. A casino as soon as you literally walk in, guys. But yeah, we're just about to check in now, get our room key, get in our room, and then get the holiday on a show, basically, on a go, because I'm hungry right now and I need to go and get some food. So hopefully we get some food. I don't know where we're going to eat, but we're going to get some food. Guys, we ended up eating at the Strat Cafe and Wok, which is in the Stratfordshire Hotel downstairs. I went for a lovely steak and a whole bottle of wine, and my sister went for a steak chow mein, which was absolutely divine. What is the time? It's like 5 in the morning and I should be in bed, but I'm going on a date at 5 in the morning, you know, so I'm a heartbroken boy. What is it? Babe, oh sorry I took long. Cash out. Bring the mullah home, baby. Guys, you know you're in Vegas when you got a shop like this. Hold on. You just need to see the shop properly. Pre what it says. That's the cannabis shop in LA, baby. Whoops. Oh my god, I just fell in the road. Oh my god, babe. This is just like get down. Amazing. This is life. Cheers. Yes. Woo. I need some pictures here. I need some pictures here. This is so cute. The real deal of getting ready. Did you record it? Oh, this is a real deal of getting ready. So you take a nice picture. This is how we do it. This is how us English girls do, darling, before we take pictures. We have to, you know, make sure the lippy right, make sure the body tight. No, I'm joking. Right, okay, let me swag for 1 second. Okay, I'm ready to swag.
Life's journey. Look at where we've come from, look at where we are, and look at what's ahead of us.
Yes.
Embrace life.
I am. Hey guys, how's it going today? I hope you're all doing well and feeling fabulous. Today I'm reporting live from the pool in the Stratfordshire Hotel in Las Vegas, and check out my private reserved area, guys. Take a walk with me. Welcome to Gemmalicious Cribs Las Vegas Styles. Today I'm reporting live from my outdoor crib for the day. Welcome in for a tour, guys. Come and check it out. So guys, we have my sofas over here where I'll be lounging out. We have some towels to chill out on. The beds are very cool, by the way, guys. Lovely to relax out, chill, and you know, get some slay on, baby. But yeah, no, seriously, they're cozy as well. Yeah, I love it. And then we've got some towels, and then we've got the fridge to put our stuff in when they come. TV, chill out, watch some TV, and a table and chair over here to have some lunch on. And out the front, darling, we have our sunbeds out the front. It's so nice out here. The weather is so good. I'm literally getting cooked out here, you know. This is what my body needed. Some sunlight in it, like it's gonna be glowing. This is what we needed, some glow to the body for summer. The life, baby. Living the life as always. Guys, how cool is that though? Such a cute day chilling out here today. I'm absolutely loving it. The sun is on fire and it is just like amazing. Pool day. Encore Casino. Wow, the plaza. Woo, the barrage is coming up. The Encore. Vegas, baby. My Kim K truck. I want that truck. Wow. So we just came out for a walk and we came across this bar. What's it called, Kay? The Davidoff Cigar Bar. And they invited us in for some complimentary champagne. That's the one there, baby. And they invited us in for some complimentary champagne. So right now we're sitting down. It's right opposite the Wynn, as you can see behind me. And right now we're just sitting down and enjoying some champagne. The champagne is good, guys, as well. Cheers. Cheers, darling. Every time we switch lanes. Funk soul, brother, check it out now.
House, if you'd like a second one.
Okay, yeah, why not then? We'll have a second one. Okay. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Where that. Oh, why do I live this way? If you wanna go and take a oh, why do we live this way? Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well and feeling fabulous in dirty, dry London. No, I'm only joking. But yeah, right now I am about to take a helicopter around town, baby. So I'm about to get in a private helicopter and we are gonna fly around Vegas basically and see all the sightseeing, like something that's behind me. So we're gonna be in the helicopter seeing all of those sights of Vegas. And yeah, I'm about to get it, guys. Got some champagne in hand. They gave me some champagne, which is always a plus on the Gemmalicious team. But yeah, we have some free champagne and we are about to get going, guys. So I'll see you guys when I'm up like 7. Not that I'm always up like 7, but today we're up like 7. Every day up like 7. helicopter ride was absolutely lit. I tell you, I was right at the front with the driver as well, and the views were amazing, guys, like absolutely amazing. I was trying to talk to the camera and then I realized the aircraft was too loud. But yeah, guys, a definitely must do when you come to Vegas. This is what I like, you know, I'm ticking things off the list, guys, making shit happen, living goals. So guys, it is 3 a.m. in the morning. It's later than that now, isn't it? It's like 4 in the morning. And me and my sister have come down to the arcades. To gamble, darlings. To gamble our life away. Well, hopefully we'll be winning something more like, you know. The girl didn't come out here to play. No, but seriously, my sister's just getting some change. This is, guys, Vegas. It is now, guys, look how rough I look. It is now, yeah, 6:30 in the morning, and me and my sister are still up gambling from 3 a.m. My sister has got on her poker face because she's literally here winning the game. And me, don't even ask about me, guys. Put it this way, I ain't playing no more. I'm done. Done with this life. Done. Gambling's not for me. Basically, I lost my money. But yeah, guys, the one good thing about this casino, yeah, is that when you're in the casino, as long as you've put like $10 in the machine and you've been playing at the machine consistently like we have for the past 2 hours, then your drinks are free. So right now, I'm just taking advantage of loading up on the wine, guys, like loading up. I got a couple just loaded up down here. And basically, guys, I'm drinking back my money. Like literally, all the money I spent, I'm making sure that I drink it back in drinks, mate. Yeah, 6:30 in the morning, Vegas life, baby. Mad thing. But fun anyway, it's all been fun, it's all fun and games. And yeah, we got to go to bed because we've got a big day ahead of us tomorrow. But it looks like we'll be having a good lay-in before we get our day started tomorrow. But yeah, guys, that is it for tonight. I'll be signing out. But I'll see you guys in the morning when we got big things happening. And yeah, it should be a good day tomorrow. Out from casino, baby. But we're still here and I'm still drinking. But I'm just ending this because I'm about to just turn up for a little while by myself. Ciao. Hey guys, how's it going today? I hope you're all doing well and feeling fabulous. So today, guys, I am at the area hotel in Las Vegas and I'm about to do up a little wedding, guys. Hey. And obviously, as always, I'm bringing my Gemmalicious family with me. So today, you guys are going to get to experience a wedding in Vegas. Imagine that. And at the area hotel. Let's go and get it, guys. Woo!
To a dream that I can call my
Load on, party crew. Pole dancing! Woo! Wow! So right now we're on the bus. It's a party bus, check it out. It's like a big limousine inside. And then they got a car for the adventurous. If you want to get that pole dancing I want it. For those deep there, baby. So guys, we have now got off the bus and we've arrived at the reception and it is absolutely stunning, guys. Check it out. So guys, right now it is time for food. Do you know how hungry I am? Like, hungry. So let's go and check out. Sorry darling. Let's go and check out some of the food and see what we've got for today. Hey! Rice, potatoes, vegetables, lovely bread. More food. Salmon. Steak. Oh my god. The food looks so good, guys. I'm about to go in. How good did it look? Hello, darling. How are you?
Great, and you?
Thank you very much. This is America, guys. Say hi, guys. Hey! One love. Thank you. Salmon. Oh god, just a little bit, not a lot.
You want the small?
Yeah, the small piece, yeah. I don't seem like I'm being greedy. Just a little bit on the side. All right. I'm gonna look very greedy now. Thank you, thank you. Oh my god, look at my plate, guys. Like I went in with the food, like in. I'm so hungry, but hopefully this keeps me going because I'm gonna drink a lot. Let's go, guys. See you in a bit.
Shoot my shot, that shit ready like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took.
This is the little lemon stroke coke home now. Everyone's had a good night and we're on our way home. Is everyone lit or is it just me that's lit? Back in high school I used to bust it to the gram. Now I hit the FBO with 40 in my hands. Hey, they have me up like a light, hey, like a light, like a light. Who's gonna sleep for them like, hey, Papa.
Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me. LA, you can get a taste. Miami, you can get a taste. Oakland, you can get a taste. New York, do you love a taste?
Party night, what we saying? Hey, Vegas, somebody say Vegas! Somebody
It goes to litigation, and I respect your gangster. Treat you like a princess and wish I'm on your neck to gesture. We don't buy no drinks at the bar. Pop champagne cause we got that dough. Let me hear you say happy birthday to my nigga friends and happy birthday friends. I don't know where you went.
I stopped it for a reason, because that really
We
wasn't
don't
the song
buy
I was
no
looking
drinks
for.
at the bar. We pop champagne cause we got that dough. Let me hear you say hi. Just in case you didn't think that it's litty. You won't even know. It's litty. It's litty, litty, litty.
Since we talking about all this blessed shit, there's a lot of ladies that came
You who thought he was reliable, that nigga just a liar, boo. I love what Boo say, go and get that do say. I wake up in the morning, breath smell like Pooh say. I need that warm water, that you. I was riding around in the beach with the racks in the middle. I was riding around in the V12 with the racks in the middle. Had a friend already got it, let my dog out the kennel. When you get it straight up out the mud, you can't imagine this shit. I've been pulling up in the drop tops with the bag.
Guys, can I just say, tonight was so lit. It was absolutely amazing. Like, I'm mashed now. I need to get back to my hotel. Everyone's leaving me, cussing me. Can you see them walking way down there because I've taken long? But guess what? I lived my best life tonight. Fabulous was lit. Everything was lit. I had such a good night. But right now, I got to sign out and I can continue tomorrow because right now I'm going to get pushed out. Oh shit, everyone's... Right, let me go. Right. Morning, guys. The morning after, I am absolutely wrecked. No matter what time of day, these people don't stop, you know. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and the gambling hall is full. But I'm off to go and get some breakfast, guys. The glasses is a must. You don't even want to... Let's not even go. But yeah, we're just off to go and try some breakfast somewhere else because we've been having breakfast at the place in here and we're a bit bored of that now. So we're going to venture out and see what we get on the road. I look like, yeah, I shouldn't be alive today. But yeah, I'm here, guys. Surviving. Okay, wicked. We're heading over there. They're clearly doing construction there because it is louder there. What's on the side there? The casino one, wherever. Yeah. Oh, you can't even hear me. It's too loud. Forget it. Oh, it is nice and hot today, guys. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning and the sun is beaming and it is nice and hot. Las Vegas, baby. Yeah, I don't know what this is, guys, but we've come to have breakfast at this place. Excuse the darkness. And firstly, yeah, they gave us drinks in the plastic cup. But I was thinking, okay, cool, it's complimentary water, you know, not gonna say much. Then the breakfast comes, yeah. It's not even funny. Then the breakfast comes, yeah, on a plastic plate, guys, and look at the breakfast. And then to top it off, plastic cutlery. I just don't know what to say. My sister's finding this funny, but right now I just don't know what to say, mate. But I'm not laughing. Oh. Thank you.
It's more skinny too.
Chips, and my sister got some chips as well. Charm. Whoa. So right now, guys, I am off to go and check out the rooftop pool, which is up on the top floor, on the 24th floor, sorry guys. That is where we are now, on the 24th floor. Going to check out the rooftop, but it's quite lit up there, I heard, so let's go and see what it's about. This is cute. That's cute. our views, guys. Guys, imagine though, just chilling by the pool area and boom, you got a nice big screen to watch TV at as well. It's lit, man. Love it. Kicking back, watching TV. It's a beautiful day, darling, and I'm enjoying it. Mwah. How's your pina colada? I went for the tonic coconut. Oh yeah, how is it? It's alright. We to the sun, we are. So let's kiss the bar and we go to the top. So good it hurts. I don't like it. I love you, yeah. Uh-oh. Hey.
The words of the story.
I love it. I don't like it. I love it. Right now, guys. I'm just heading to the I'm just heading to the local night shop. It's a good place. It's right by the hotel that we're staying in. As you can see, that's the hotel right behind me. And then they got like a local shop that is just literally down the road where you can get your little bits from. Hi, you okay? Yeah. Sorry, two brothers saying hi to me. Yeah. Yeah, so basically, just by there they have this shop here, which we are passing now. Say no more. It's right next to the hotel. Right next to here, guys, we have Walgreens on the corner, and that's where I'm heading to now. Convenience store. Let's get it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just hella jaywalking like I'm from the end, you know. Yeah, I love that behind me. So cute. I just jaywalked like, yeah, where's the crossing? I'm jaywalking. Sorry. It has to be done sometimes. I'm knackered, guys, yeah, and the sun's been so intense today, but I'm feeling it. Look at the skin, no makeup. The sun is doing me good, guys, doing me good. I love the Vegas sunshine. All right, this is the store now. We're there. And basically, guys, you can get everything in here. I'm talking all your alcohol at good prices as well. So it's not big prices, it's nice, cheap prices as well. All your soft drinks, your pop, whatever your fantasy is. Oh, Hawaii Punch, this is the thing. Yeah, they got all different drinks here. You've got all the different drinks you can get. Different vodkas. This is the vodka this is the vodka they love out here, you know, Sky. I've noticed that because they've got it in a hotel when you buy a table as well. So yeah, this is the store, guys. Can get souvenirs. Everything in here, more drinks, cards, stuff for your car, toiletries, toilet paper, kitchen towels, iced teas, look at them, beer, water, don't forget to drink water, guys, don't forget to drink water. Cereals, they got everything basically in this shop, so yeah, this is the spot to come and get. They've even got medication, they've got everything, so yeah, good prices too. Look at these donuts they do, you know, mini strawberry donuts. Have you guys had these before? Double chocolate ones. Wow, glazed ones. They look like they taste so good though. Damn, I might bring some home. Okay, you can get makeup. They've got all the L'Oreal stuff. the number 7 that they're stuck in boots. So if you forgot anything and you need to get it, you can clearly come here. We've got all really everything, guys, everything. Alright, let me get what I come for. But I just thought I'd show you guys that and give you guys the lowdown. You can even get some fresh fruit and shit. Some fresh fruit and stuff. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys the lowdown so when you come, you know what is available and how easy accessible it is to the hotel as well. But yeah, guys, see you in a bit. Getting turned, guys. Literally getting turned. It's so hot, guys. I'm literally burnt. Like, I can feel my shoulders are burned, my chest is burned. Butter. The music's playing and it's getting lit now. It's time to turn out. Walk it like a talking, walk it like a talking, walk it like a talking, walk it like a talking. Hey, can't do, can't move. My chain loose. Hey. Whip it up. Let's get it. Woo! There you go. Hey. Hi guys. My phone's waterproof. That's one good thing. I got in. It ain't that bad now. It's moved up. I want to get right under. So I can take a picture under, right under. I'm going to take a picture. Life, baby. Unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Imagine that, guys. I'm just bouncing around living my own party life. That's how you want to be swimming, isn't it? With like a big TV behind you. Guys, today at the pool area was just absolutely amazing. That rooftop pool is just like life. Like, it got busier, and as I showed before, I had to turn off my camera because they said people got topless. Everyone got topless, basically. The women were topless. So when the women go topless, you're not allowed to film. So I couldn't film much, but at least you guys got to see it and got the drift of it. But it's definitely somewhere to check out. Even if you're not staying in this hotel, like, literally go check it out. Oh. So yeah, I was just seeing if I passed my room. But right now, your girl's been in the clothes all day and I'm about to go out to dinner. I'm going to try their buffet. So yeah, I'm gonna go in, have a shower, fix up myself. My hair's doing all right considering I jumped in the pool. But yeah, I'm gonna go and fix up myself and do dinner. Let's go, baby. At the buffet, guys, my first round of food is
A few moments later.